Welcome to the Triwer affiliate program page. This page will give you an overview of your TRV coins and your earnings. By promoting the TRV token sale, you will earn 10% commission on all TRVs purchased by people in your community through your affiliated link below. Here you can see your current TRV amounts and the amount of TRV coins you have earned. And this is your personal affiliate link that you can refer to, forward, or share on your website to your community. In this graph, you can track your TRV earnings, commission, and clicks. You can only earn TRV from referrals who are using your link to sign up and who also participates in the token sale. To get you started, we have created a few banner packages that you are free to use on any websites and sendouts. The affiliate program supports many different banner sizes. Simply choose your banner size here, copy, and paste. Your banner has your personal affiliate link, so you can insert it directly into your website and backend. You can also download a zipped file with all banner formats from here. Now you are ready to share your affiliate link, but hurry, TRV token sales end soon. And hey, don't forget to follow us on your favorite channels. Please note that the affiliate earnings will be paid out after the end of Triwer token sales.